Now, for some people, when they see a subtraction problem involving money, they might get a little nervous or confused, but in fact, this kind of subtraction is no different to subtracting any other two numbers. So let's start with an example. $4.85 minus $1.30. Okay, so as you can see, I can use an algorithm for this type of subtraction. So, as with any algorithm, I'm going to start to the very right. Alright, so my first thing I need to do is 5 take away 0, which equals 5. 8 take away 3, which equals 5. Now here's the important part. Here's my decimal place. I need to make sure that my decimal place of my answer fits directly underneath. And last of all, 4 minus 1, which equals 3. So using the algorithm, $4.85 minus $1.30 is $3.55. So let's work through another example. This time we might use a mental strategy to help us to subtract money. So say for example, I had $10 for my pocket money. I've gone to the newsagent and I've bought a magazine which cost me $7.15. So maybe my question is, how much change would I have? Now I could set it out like an algorithm, but I can also use some mental strategies to help me to work this out quite easily, which is a handy thing to have in real life if you're at the shops and you want to try and quickly work out if you've been given the correct amount of change. And what we're going to do for this one is we're going to actually use addition to help us to subtract. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my cents, and what I want to do is to make this a whole dollar number. So I really want to make it up to $8. Okay, so in my mind I'm going to say I've got 15 cents. How much more to make the next whole dollar? Now, because I know my dollar facts, a little bit like my rainbow facts, my make 10 facts, I know my make 100 facts, and I know that that is 85 cents. Okay, so I've got my 85 cents that I've added on to my 15 to make $8. So now I'm thinking of this number here as $8. Now all I need to do is to think to myself, okay, $8 plus what would give me 10? Or I could even think of it as a subtraction, 10 minus 8, which equals 2. So using addition, I could actually firstly round up my cents to the next dollar, okay, which was I had to add on 85 cents. Thinking of this now as the next dollar as $8. How much more to get to 10? The answer is 2.